Imagine an island untouched by time, a place where the very air whispers of ancient secrets and the landscape seems painted by a surrealist's hand. This is Socotra, a jewel in the Arabian Sea, a testament to the sheer power of nature to create beauty that is both breathtaking and bizarre. Often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, Socotra is a living laboratory of evolution, a sanctuary for species found nowhere else on Earth. Its isolation has fostered the development of life forms so unique, so otherworldly that one might be forgiven for thinking they'd stumbled onto another planet. Here nature defies expectations, and the familiar takes on an alien beauty. Join me as we journey to this extraordinary island where the wonders of the natural world await. Socotra, the largest of 4 islands that make up the Socotra archipelago, lies approximately 240 kilometers east of the Horn of Africa and 380 kilometers south of the Arabian Peninsula. Strategically positioned at the mouth of the Gulf of Aden, this Yemeni island has served as a crossroads of cultures for centuries, a melting pot of influences from Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Yet, despite its proximity to bustling trade routes, Socotra has remained remarkably untouched. Its isolation, coupled with its unique geological history, has resulted in a level of endemism, species found nowhere else, that rivals that of the Galapagos Islands. It's a place where the forces of evolution have run wild, crafting life forms that are as captivating as they are curious. Socotra is a land of dramatic contrasts, where towering granite peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in mist-shrouded forests. Vast, desolate plateaus, baked by the Arabian sun, stretch towards limestone cliffs that plunge into the turquoise waters below. Sandy beaches, fringed by swaying coconut palms, give way to hidden lagoons and coral reefs teeming with marine life. The island's unique topography is a testament to the relentless forces of nature that have shaped it over millennia. Volcanic eruptions, tectonic shifts, and the erosive power of wind and water have sculpted a landscape that is as varied as it is stunning. It's a land of stark beauty, where the silence is broken only by the cry of a bird or the whisper of the wind through the branches of a dragon's blood tree. Socotra is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to over 800 plant species, more than a third of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This remarkable island, often referred to as the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, boasts an extraordinary variety of plant life that has adapted to its unique environment over millennia. The island's isolation has allowed its flora and fauna to evolve in splendid isolation, free from the influences of the mainland, resulting in a dazzling array of life forms that are as unique as they are beautiful. This evolutionary process has given rise to some of the most unusual and striking plants found anywhere in the world, from the iconic dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella-like canopy which bleeds a red sap when cut, to the bizarre desert rose, with its swollen, water-storing trunk adapted to survive the arid conditions. Socotra's plants are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Each species has developed unique characteristics to thrive in this isolated environment, but it's not just the plant life that is remarkable. The island's fauna is equally fascinating. Socotra is also home to a fascinating array of endemic animals. These creatures have evolved in isolation, leading to unique adaptations and behaviors. The Socotra starling, with its distinctive blue-black plumage, flit amongst the branches, adding a splash of color to the landscape, while the Socotra chameleon, a master of camouflage, can change its color to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. Reptiles, birds, insects, and even freshwater crabs have all evolved in their own unique ways on this island, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life here, creating an ecosystem that is as fragile as it is fascinating. The delicate balance of this ecosystem highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect Socotra's unique biodiversity for future generations. Section 5. The Dragon's Blood Tree, a Socotran icon. Perhaps the most iconic symbol of Socotra's unique biodiversity is the Dragon's Blood Tree, also known as Dracæna cinnabari. This strange and wonderful tree, with its upturned umbrella-like crown, is found only on this remote island. Its distinctive shape is thought to be an adaptation to the island's arid climate, the dense canopy reducing water loss and providing shade for the seedlings that grow beneath it. The tree's name comes from the crimson-red resin that it produces, known as dragon's blood. This resin has been prized for centuries for its medicinal and dye properties and was once an important trade item in the ancient world. Today, the dragon's blood tree remains a potent symbol of Socotra's unique natural heritage, a reminder of the island's rich and storied past. Section 6, the flightless cormorant and avian anomaly. Another remarkable inhabitant of Socotra is the Socotra cormorant, also known scientifically as Phalacrocorax nigrogularis. This bird is a unique species found only in this part of the world, making it a true gem of the island's biodiversity. Unlike its ocean-going relatives, this unusual cormorant has lost the ability to fly. Its wings reduced to small, stubby appendages. These tiny wings are a stark contrast to the large, powerful wings of other cormorant species that soar through the skies. It's a curious adaptation for a bird thought to have evolved from flying ancestors that colonized the island millions of years ago. Over time, the Socotra cormorant has adapted to its environment in ways that are both fascinating and mysterious. The Socotra cormorant is perfectly adapted to its island home. Its physical characteristics and behaviors are fine-tuned to the unique conditions of Socotra, allowing it to thrive where other birds might struggle. It feeds on fish and marine invertebrates, diving deep into the nutrient-rich waters that surround Socotra. These waters provide an abundant food source, essential for the cormorant's survival. Its lack of flight is no hindrance in this environment, and it has even been suggested that the energy saved by not flying allows the cormorant to dive more efficiently. This energy conservation is crucial for its hunting strategy. The Socotra cormorant is a testament to the power of evolution to shape life in unexpected ways, a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises. Its story is a fascinating chapter in the book of life on Earth, showcasing the incredible adaptability of species. Section 7. Echoes of Ancient Cultures. Socotra's unique natural wonders have captivated the human imagination for centuries. Ancient mariners sailing the treacherous waters of the Indian Ocean whispered tales of this mysterious island, its shores guarded by dragons and its mountains home to strange and wonderful creatures. These stories, passed down through generations, added to the island's mystique, weaving a tapestry of myth and legend around its shores. The island's strategic location at the crossroads of ancient trade routes meant that it was visited by a succession of different cultures. The Egyptians, Greeks, Romans and Arabs all left their mark on Socotra, their influence evident in the island's architecture, language and customs. The Socotri people, the island's indigenous inhabitants, have developed a unique culture that is a blend of these diverse influences, their traditions intricately intertwined with the natural world that surrounds them. Section 8. A biodiversity hotspot under threat. Socotra's remarkable biodiversity, however, is under increasing threat. Climate change, habitat loss, and the introduction of invasive species are all taking their toll on the island's fragile ecosystems. The once pristine environment is facing unprecedented challenges, and the very survival of some of its most iconic species hangs in the balance. The effects of climate change are already being felt on Socotra. Rising sea levels threaten to inundate coastal areas, while changes in rainfall patterns are putting a strain on the island's water resources. The iconic dragon's blood tree, already vulnerable to overgrazing and unsustainable resin harvesting practices, is particularly susceptible to drought, its survival hanging precariously in the balance. Section 9. Preserving Paradise. The challenges facing Socotra are significant, but there is still hope. This island, known for its otherworldly landscapes and unique flora and fauna, is under threat from climate change, deforestation, and unsustainable practices. Conservation efforts led by both local communities and international organizations are underway to protect the island's unique biodiversity for future generations. These initiatives are crucial in maintaining the delicate balance of Socotra's ecosystems. These efforts focus on promoting sustainable livelihoods, ensuring that the local population can thrive without compromising the natural environment. Eco-friendly tourism is being encouraged to provide an alternative source of income. Raising awareness of the importance of conservation is a key component of these efforts. Educational programs and community workshops are helping to foster a culture of environmental stewardship among the island's residents. Implementing measures to mitigate the impacts of climate change is also a priority. The reforestation projects and coastal protection initiatives are being put in place to safeguard Socotra's natural heritage. Socotra is a reminder that we are inextricably linked to the natural world, and that our actions have far-reaching consequences. The island's iconic dragon's blood trees and diverse wildlife are symbols of this connection. The fate of this island paradise is ultimately intertwined with our own. By appreciating and protecting Socotra, we are also safeguarding our own future. By working together, we can ensure that Socotra's unique wonders continue to inspire and amaze us for generations to come. Collective action is essential in preserving this natural treasure. This extraordinary island, a beacon of biodiversity in a rapidly changing world, deserves our utmost care and attention. Its rare plants and endemic species are irreplaceable. Its preservation is not just a matter of local concern, but a global responsibility. Scientists and conservationists from around the world are joining forces to protect Socotra. For the loss of Socotra's biodiversity would be a loss for all humankind. The island's unique ecosystems are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet, and their protection is a duty we all share.